These are parts of the roof of the Delhi airport, Terminal 1. Thankfully, it is not the most crowded, even though early morning departures from either of the terminals of the Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi are quite busy. But Terminal 1 is least crowded, and that is where some of these vehicles that had stopped briefly while there was a heavy rainfall. For now, operations have been suspended at Terminal 1. Check-in counters have been closed as a safety measure. Many vehicles have also been damaged in this incident when the Delhi fire services were called in at about 5:30 a.m. But because it's the Delhi airport and an international airport, there are emergency services right on standby in the premises itself. Indigo Airlines have given out an official statement that they have cancelled all flights, which means departure from Terminal 1 after structural damage. So it would be feasible if you are a passenger watching this telecast to constantly cross-verify and check about what is the next best option. Civil Aviation Minister Rammohan Naidu has said, and according to our sources, will be visiting the terminal to assess the situation on the ground. But opposition has jumped in. They're targeting the NDA. They're asking government at the centre that why was there poor structure that was allegedly used at the Delhi airport. Congress is claiming that the roof that collapsed was part of the expanded departure, the area that was launched by Prime Minister Modi. Now, while the Delhi airport spokesperson has given out a statement to say this was an old forecourt area where the roof has collapsed, but opposition has been gunning for government at the centre because now a person has also lost his life. The manner in which the roof collapsed on him. Just yesterday, remember, Jabalpur airport was where a canopy also collapsed. There also, multiple cars were crashed. Some of these issues, remember, are literally threat to life. Wasn't there enough checks done? How can such heavy boulders simply fall on people? Amit Bhardwaj continues to be with us. Amit, so whether it's the waterlogged streets of ITO, Minto Bridge, Delhi, where the elected government is Aam Aadmi Party, or whether it is the Indira Gandhi International Airport, which is the government at the centre's responsibility, how do you think this is going to turn out? It looks like already political showdown has emerged on it.
And this was very much expected to happen. You know, earlier you had Congress party training guns at the BJP. Now the BJP has started pointing out at the Aam Aadmi Party. Amit Malviya of the BJP has already, attacked Aam Aadmi Party, saying that the Delhi has been drawn big, and the Aam Aadmi Party is in power in the Delhi government as well as MCD, and what has been done to avoid this situation. And he's also attacking, criticizing Atishi, saying that she will have to again sit down on a fast to get the sewage clean. So this kind of politics has already started. Politics over rain has already started in the national capital, and very soon, as I was also telling you, Pooja, what you might see is that Delhi government ministers might claim that look, we had asked for desilting report, audit report from our officials during the model code of conduct time, and they had refused to furnish any report citing the MCC. And this was a comment made by Saurabh Bhardwaj a couple of weeks back as well. And I believe that this will be the stance taken by the government at this point in time. However, the mayor, deputy mayor are rushing to the spots where, there are major blockades right now in the sewage system of the national capital. But yes, as you were pointing out, on one side, there is political battle happening. On the other side, what you see is that the Delhi area comes under MCD. It's the responsibility of the Aam Aadmi Party. The Delhi government PWD department is responsible for many of the sewage lanes, canals of Delhi as well as the roads of Delhi. The NDMC area is responsible for.
Logically, because I've been a Delhi resident all my life, these multiple responsibilities should have actually been able to have the best of national capital put forward. But because of this, it also often becomes an excuse on who to shift blame on. And as a result, we have whether the roof collapsing here or the Minto Bridge or the desilting. And you correctly pointed out, it's very likely they'll bring in the whole that we asked the officers, that didn't come, that file didn't get approved. Eventually, who's suffering? It's the common citizen who has to go to work and earn the bread and butter for their family. Stay on with me, Amit, because it's not just the airport. Even before, and this is barely few hours of rainfall that happened early this morning. Delhi NCR, which is Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurugram, nearby areas as well. Incessant rainfall and led to this. Multiple locations, specifically Delhi and around. Streets are flooded, waterlogged. People have to wade through knee-deep, even neck-deep water in some areas. Vehicles have been submerged. People had to abandon their vehicles and run for life. This rainfall has caused traffic congestion and waterlogging. A question on infrastructure development in our cities, on drainage system, and barely a few hours of rainfall has led to this. This is the Minto Bridge. You know, there can be a series, in fact, that we can bring to you how over the years, every time there is a few hours of rainfall, this is what Minto Bridge that connects Connaught Place, railway station, ITO, looks like. You cannot cross this at all. You have to take a longer route. The Met Department has said moderate to intense spell of rainfall is likely to continue for the next couple of hours. So I would advise you to not take the Minto Bridge, not take the ITO, find longer routes. If you want to head to the airport, check if the T1 or other terminals are functioning. Very sad state of affairs that has come in what was supposed to be a relief from the heat wave.
इस वक्त हम आईटीओ चौराहे पर मौजूद हैं और आप देखिए यहाँ की तस्वीरें हम दिखा रहे हैं कि किस तरीके से पहली बारिश में ही ये पूरा इलाका आप देख सकते हैं। आईटीओ जो मेन रेड लाइट वाला इलाका है वो पानी पानी हो गया है। चारों तरफ आपको पानी नजर आएगा, दोनों तरफ रोड के, और उन पानी के सामने लोग फंसे हुए हैं, गाड़ियों से अपने फंसे हुए हैं, क्योंकि अंदर की तस्वीरें वो देख रहे हैं। जो यहाँ खड़े हैं वो अंदर की तस्वीरें देखिए। सामने आपको एक मारुति पहले गाड़ी दिखेगी, उसके अंदर आपको दूसरी गाड़ियां फंसी दिखेंगी। जो इस पानी को पार करने की अपनी गाड़ी से कोशिश किया, उसकी गाड़ी अंदर ही फंस गई, क्योंकि पानी इतना ज्यादा है कि वो गाड़ी के अंदर, गाड़ी के इंजन तक पहुंच गया और उसके बाद नतीजा ये हुआ कि गाड़ी बंद पड़ गई। इस वजह से उन गाड़ियों के हालात देख करके लोग दूसरे तरफ ही रुक गए हैं और आगे जाने के बारे में लोग नहीं सोच रहे हैं। और आईटीओ चौराहा ये वो इलाका है जहां पर कुछ ही देर में जब थोड़ा सा दिन और होगा तो लोगों की यहाँ पे अच्छी खासी ट्रैफिक पहुंचे। और अभी की ये तस्वीर है, क्योंकि आगे पानी होने की वजह से ये पूरा रास्ता जो है वो ब्लॉक हो गया है और आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर आपको ट्रैफिक नजर आएगा इस पूरी रोड पर। अब आगे जब निकलने का रास्ता नहीं है, वहां पर कोई उन्हें आप देखिए जो रेड लाइट है वहां पर लोगों को अंदाजा नहीं है कि आखिर लोग रॉन्ग साइड कुछ लोग क्यों जा रहे हैं। ऐसे में लोग परेशान हो रहे हैं और चौराहे पर धीरे धीरे लोगों की भीड़ बढ़ती चली जा रही है। कैमरामैन कुंज बिहारी के साथ हिमांशु मिश्रा।
Well, whether it is the MCD or the Delhi government, elected government administration, or it is the NDA at managing the Delhi airport, all of this, these were authorities supposed to be working together in tandem to ensure that the Delhi resident, irrespective of who handles what, will come together. But remember, people have to go to their office, go to their different destinations, go to the airport, and this is what it's looking like.